We have done life together. Life does not just come with ups. Life comes with ups and downs, and we have seen each other's ups and downs.
I want to let the world know how the dark that was in my life, but when you came, that darkness had to flee. Your relationship with Jesus brings faith to my relationship with Him. It shows no matter how far I strayed away, no matter how many times I failed, His hand is still reaching after me. Alexis, I want to let the world know how beautiful you are. I want to let the world know how much you changed my life.
Bradley, I love you, and I promise to hold your hand for the rest of our lives. I want to be where you are, and today I choose you. I choose to walk through life's deepest valleys and celebrate life's sweetest victories as we look to God as our source.